As 2023 comes down to a wind down, I kind of want to do a few product testings here. One of the things I've really been wanting to get is one of these brackets. I actually have two of them. This goes up on the cowling, so you can have the LED lights at the bottom of the windshield on each side. Pretty excited about that. Got these off eBay for 15 bucks, and then just gonna put some LED pods on there and wire it up myself. This video is in no way sponsored by Mothers at all. I wish it was. But the cowling, while we have it off, to install these brackets, I'm gonna go ahead and do back to black and see if we can kind of restore some of that little bit of sun fade. So that area, make it a little bit darker, but it's up on the cowling, so. All right, so we got this driver's side completely free. I noticed all the snap down tabs on the bottom, right here. There's another one in the middle and one at the end. Basically weren't really clipped in. One thing to take note of is there's a grommet that goes around the actual actuator here of the windshield wiper base. So when you go to pull that, it's going to feel resistance, and it's pretty tight around this, so you're just going to have to wiggle it past. But take your time, no rush, especially as this plastic gets older. It's going to get a little more feeble and weak, potential for breaking. But basically that's the bolt we're going for right there. A little bracket will stick up, and then we can do the wiring later. We'll be able to get under here and wire her up. Let's continue. Well, Mother's wax. Mother's brand, you can see the difference. Passenger side to driver side. Definitely give us a hell of improvement, passenger to driver side. But ultimately, right here is where the bracket is installed now officially. I kind of don't like that sticks up like that, but I mean, I guess if that's how they all are, I'm going to research that some. But bracket's there, I can get to the wiring later. Definitely, you can get up in there pretty good. There's a lot of room. It should all just strain off to the side, but I digress. I want to have some fog lights. I drive in an area where there's a lot of deer, and I think it'd be very helpful to be able to spot them, because some of them walk casually across the road and you can't see them until they're about 40 feet in front of you when you're doing 55. So the more lights, the better. Alright guys, so for the 2017 Ford Raptor, some of the older plastics are definitely getting a little beat down and worn out a little bit. So definitely want to make sure to use a good product like Mother's. I believe in it. I think it definitely worked. This video is not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. I wish it was, but definitely give this a shot. Like I said, you can always give it multiple applications. If the first time it's still kind of peeking through and not really working 100%, go over it once or twice, use a microfiber cloth. You're gonna see some good results. It's gonna look like it's midnight. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider hitting subscribe if you find this information useful or you want to continue seeing it, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos in 2024. Can't wait to bring it all to you guys. Thank you guys. We'll catch you in the next one.